Yes, you should.
I like how you made Africa the largest continent too.
Hey, we went go-kart racing. I dare you to eat the plant. Dang!
Holy, got the dumpy, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. What's today's video? It's we vlogging, but I'm gonna show y'all me getting ready too, because why not? We're doing a regular beat and a wing eyeliner. And I'm about to listen to some music because that's all I do when I get ready. Oh, she dirty, but anyways, you get the gist. You get the gist. Could you hit somebody your man's hit? You just telling me because I'm your girl. Huh?
Then we brothers.
Oh, what if you ain't know till after the fact?
We Eskimo brothers.
Oh! Yeah, I'm not saying like go after, but like what if after the fact you already got with a girl and you low-key really like her and then you find out that both of y'all hit same girl type of thing, like what's that song with Usher? Yeah. Same girl, same girl. I let your concealer dry a little bit, you know.
Isn't it shy when he trying to beef with Uzi?
I don't know. What you saying? In my hands. You want it all. Wow, I put way too much, but you know we're gonna fix it. How do that? Everywhere. To you, yeah. Put it on your tracks like CDs. That was a little bar, but I wish the fuck you would. Oh my god, y'all was gonna tell me y'all ain't contour my nose. What type of friends are y'all? This my song. This ain't no motherfucking gimmick. When I lose, this ain't no scrimmage. Yes, period. Okay. Okay, y'all. Hair and makeup done. I'm gonna show y'all the fit when we get to the place, when we get to the spot, the restaurant. Yeah, and I gotta put jewelry on all that. Yeah, so makeup products in the description box below. Soft Loc tutorial should be up already by the time this drops. If not, I suck and I need to get back on the grind, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna edit tonight. It'll be up. So yeah, I'll show y'all the fit at the place. Wine. And I was expecting it to come in like a cuter wine glass, but whatever.
Me too.
It's jet fire. Y'all look cute. I don't like how my ear tucks behind though. I also didn't show y'all my fit, but if I go to the bathroom and they got a full body mirror, I'll show y'all. My makeup look good in this camera. Oh. Yum, 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 yum.
That steak look kind of red. I low-key wanted a little...
It is red. Oh my god.
It cut tender.
Oh, we good.
It cut tender. The butter knife.
Yeah, it definitely do. I think my baby food come out close, so now you got 2 big ass meals.
Want me dirty.
And I know this wine came in an ugly wine glass, but this shit got me a little. Bro. Cheers. That wraps up our date night. Oh, back. We still got to figure out where we going for lunch tomorrow. And we gonna go car race for like some big kids. So. What's today's date? September 27th. We had lunch with it. This is so sweet. We at the Smith restaurant. We got what's good. It's awesome. It look good. You're so focused. Oh, you ain't tasted yours yet? Can I have yours too? Pause. Let me tell y'all, this man thought he was so funny by shaking a camera like he was shaking his head. No, he thought he was hilarious for doing this. Also, he real new to like recording me, so don't think he's weird. He's just quiet. That's what we know. Nah. This little ass in the house.
I heard.
And you was gonna leave him down? How rude.
I heard shit weird. I don't see shit.
It's fake. Perfect. That's good. Would you want me to remove this, or are you still working on it?
1 second.
Oh, you can keep it. It's okay. I'll just be back later, okay? Thank you.
Guys, how's everything looking so far?
It's looking good.
You got it?
Oh, cool.
Okay. What I get? I forgot what it's called.
I'm steak and eggs. The grits on the side.
So I got vanilla bean French toast, and they come with banana ones inside of bacon. But I'm eating his home fries and his grits too.
Smells fat.
They gonna think you mean. You gotta dip your bacon in syrup. Promise you it's bomb. Don't think I'm crazy. Okay, bye. See y'all later. This is what you gotta do. When you go out with your partner or whoever, you gotta put half of their food on a separate plate and get them half of yours. You had the best of both worlds. We full already. We still got other stuff. This is crazy. Everything was good though. I dare you to eat the plant. We got some more drinky drinks still. They buy. You actually. What it tastes like? Dang!
You don't got no flavor to it.
This is good, y'all. If y'all come to the Smith restaurant, get the Fenty Go punch. This shit fat. What did you think this plant was?
I had a brain fart. Don't worry about it.
No, you can say it.
Don't worry about it.
We all judge.
Nice work, man.
You gotta finish it?
You gotta do some touch up. That's a
That's
nice elephant
crazy.
one too, though. That one right there.
I know. I like the color in this one and that
Yeah,
one.
this
That
I got
one,
my
I like that one.
How much you care?
125.
We getting artwork, y'all.
Hey, brother, man, I suggest one thing. And you should put your name on there, your signature.
Yeah, I'm gonna sign it. I'll sign every
okay.
piece before I get out of here.
Okay, all right.
Period. As you should.
I like how you made Africa the largest continent too.
You should see my other pieces. I even bigger.
I'm gonna need to see them, you know.
Sand, S-A-N-D, art, A-R-T.
I'm getting this one. I want this one, but homeboy is getting that one. But this is so cute. Follow him on the Instagram, y'all. Look at his ad. This is fire. Right at U Street. Y'all know what the station is. You can see it. You know. Okay, boom, y'all. We went go-kart racing. I don't even know if y'all can tell. It's dark now. I can't record because, you know, how can you record while you're driving? But we went go-kart racing. It was fun. You mad I was burning you? You mad you lost 5 rounds? All 5 rounds he lost. All slow. Now you want to drive. Don't speed in my car now. We couldn't do no doubles. I thought I was going to be able to do a double and like record for y'all. But now you got to be a child. And I'm not a child. So we couldn't do that. But now we're going home. Yeah, give me some hand sanitizer. Because it's dirty.
It's that shit that you vibe to. Yeah, it's that shit that you can ride to.
34 minutes.
She was a lean, she wanted the Gucci.
You think you're still on the racetrack and shit? Oh, about to kill me. I'll see y'all in a second. I'm cute though. I like this camera.
Lie like shit, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, mamas.
Holy, got the dumpy, yeah, boy. Know what I mean, bitch? On it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face, wanna know what I got. Love what you see. You wanna deal on my shit so hot, yeah. I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.